from darkness, from the fear of ignorance, from unknown, lead me to light. Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, the Board of Management of Sai Shakti Engineering College, corporate invitees from CARE IT Solutions, MMC Infotech, Vintage, Eureka Forbes, Rajashri Systems and RIPE Global. Yes, I just wanted to share few experiences with you and with the corporate dignitaries in the role that we play today as industry, academia, interface partners for Sai Shakti Engineering College. And I saw an advertisement in the newspaper Hindu, wanted entertainment consultant, 7,500 rupees salary. This is the advertisement that was written. So like everyone, I also applied. Roughly about 500 candidates were there in the interview. In that 300 lady candidates were there. So we decided we will not get any job. Okay, so with that intention we went. It was a big hotel and interview started. The first process was written test. I don't know who wrote in my test. I got selected. And the second was group discussion. Lot of topics. The topic that came to me was red rose. So you know what rose is. So roughly about 10 people in the group discussion chamber. So immediately one girl started, rose is a rose is a rose, rose is a romantic flower, all those blah blah blahs. First round I didn't get chance to speak at all because everyone spoke. Second round I just squeezed myself and got a chance to speak about rose. I said, we have to understand why the topic rose has been given, especially red rose has been given. Red is always associated with hard work, sincerity and effort. Rose is a flower which is made of lot of small petals which are integrated to form a big structure called as rose. Like how these petals are integrated, similarly the employees in the organization should be integrated so that the organization will be looked at as a single quantum. This is what I spoke. They selected me. It was like Yaradini Mohini interview for Dhanush. MD was asking so many things. So I don't want to give false promises. I said I will try, sir. I don't know, in Purva Janma connection, the MD would have been my friend. So he selected me. Believe me, the company which I got into first, after doing my graduation from Satya Sai Institute, Puttaparthi, is a bogus company. 3 months, I didn't get salary. After 3 months only, we came to know the company is a bogus company. Okay, lot of promises, lot of things, lot of field visits, lot of tours, lot of orders. We went to the customer with a small brochure and we used to sell the company. Myself and one of my friends were the highest sales representative who made lot of target in the company. After 3 months, we came to know such company doesn't exist. So I stayed 1 week, you know, after we get a job, normally what will be the mentality? We will get our wings, correct? So I also made lot of expenditure to my father. He happily brought clothes, vehicle, everything. And after 3 months, I am going to my father and said, sir, daddy, the company is a bogus company. He said, I don't know what you will do. You will get the salary and come to my home. Otherwise, don't come home. So I stayed in the company for 1 week using my friend's clothes and things like that. Somehow adjusted, got my first month salary of 7,500 rupees. After 3 months. So what is my salary? 7,000? No. After 3 months.